Welcome to IMW Club. Our today's topic is how to avoid credit card trap. Credit cards can be useful financial tools, but they can also lead to a debt trap if not used responsibly. Do subscribe the channel for more videos on personal finance and wealth building. Today we will discuss tips on how to use your credit card effectively and safeguard yourself against falling into a credit card trap. Number 1. Set the budget and limit. Before you start using your credit card, create a budget to keep limit on spend and stick to it. This will help you avoid overspending and accumulating debt. Number 2. Pay your balance in full. Try to pay off your entire balance every month. If you cannot afford to pay the full balance, pay as much as you can and avoid carrying a balance for an extended period. Number 3. Check your statements regularly. Review your credit card statements every month to ensure that all charges are accurate and authorized. If you notice any errors or suspicious activity, report it to your credit card issuer immediately. Number 4. Avoid cash advances. Cash advances on your credit card usually come with high fees and interest rates, so it's best to avoid using them. Number 5. Don't exceed your credit limit. Try to keep your balance below the credit limit to avoid over-limit fees and negative impact on your credit score. Number 6. Choose a credit card with low fees. Before applying for a credit card, research the fees and interest rates associated with the card. Choose a card with low or no annual fees and a low interest rate to minimize your expenses. Number 7. Smart use of credit cards for emergencies or planned purchases only. Keep your credit card handy for emergencies or planned purchases, it will work as beneficial tool. By following these tips, you can safeguard yourself against falling into a credit card trap. Remember to use credit cards responsibly and pay off your balance every month to avoid accumulating debt. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Type CC in comment box and share our video with others who may find it helpful. And share with your friends. Thank you for watching.